Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today we're going to take a look at block 13 of the Cascade Yarns Diagonal Afghan. Alright, so let's take a look at all of the stitches in block 13, and you can see we have some bands of garter and stockinette, and then it's using yarn overs and decreases to create the shape of or the texture that you see in all these stitches. And it's actually very, very simple. You're just using knits, purls, yarn overs, and slip knits, and there's really nothing else that you need to know in order to do the square. So if you just want to check out our basic techniques video, which there'll be a link to that up in the upper right corner, just check that out if you need a refresher on how to do yarn overs or the decreases or anything else in this square. But otherwise, you can see it's a nice just easy repeat. You've got a couple breaks here where you're doing some simple garter banding, and yeah, it's going to be a nice relaxing square, I think, once you get the rhythm of the pattern where you have the yarn overs making these shapes. And here I'll kind of pull it up because it's nice to see the light coming through that shape on the shape that the yarn overs are making. So yeah, pretty basic square as long as you're familiar with the yarn overs and the decreases that you need. All right, so that was everything you need to know about block 13. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you back here in 2 weeks. I'm Rachel, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!